Are you running a restaurant? Building and maintaining your own ordering application or website costs time and money. Customers don't want to install a separate app for each and every restaurant. If you rely on delivery partners, you need to pay 30 to 40% commission on every order. This is a huge profit loss for your business. Here's a solution. Use order in one. A solution that works on top of WhatsApp. Customer just need to send a message to your restaurant's WhatsApp number. Instantly they will get the menu list, so they can choose the foods and beverages. If they want to customize the food, they can add it as a description or select no and ignore it. After that, they need to choose the delivery option. If they choose delivery, they can share the address or they can share it on the map. Once they have completed the order details, they need to choose the payment method. Each of these options can be customized by the Order in What's restaurant settings page. So this is how the order dashboard looks like. You can see the current ordered items detail listed here. This is currently in the new order tab. Once the chef started to preparing the food, they need to place it in the preparing tab. So the customer will get the instant notification with the preparation time. Once the order is ready, they can move it to the ready tab. So this will send a message to the customer with a ready message. So they can come to the restaurant and collect the order. So once they have collected, restaurant can make this order status as finished. So it's easy as that. We are offering a free trial to check this system on the restaurant. Contact us for more details. Thank you so much.